Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and use parentheses when creating our formula on Microsoft Excel. We already did one for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's go ahead and try to find a use case for the parentheses. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to calculate how much is this dog food going to cost. So each bag of dog food is $30. The tax on that is $2.40, and we bought 5 bags. So if we're following the mathematical order of operations, we need to actually place the price and the tax. We're going to add those together in parentheses. So that'll be the first thing that happens. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that times 5. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we need to do first, we have to enter in the equals symbol to let Excel know we're going to create a formula. Let's go ahead and place those in our parentheses. So we need to go ahead and find out what cells are we going to reference. So we're looking at the column B11. So let's type in B11. Then we're going to put the plus symbol to indicate that we're going to add something. Now we need to go ahead and find the cell for tax. So that's going to be C11. So C11. Okay. Next thing that we need to do is we have to go ahead and multiply that times, jumped over here. We have to go ahead and multiply that by the quantity. So that's going to be D11. So let's go ahead and type in D11. Okay, so just to make sure, we can use our colors here to quickly reference what cells we're going to be adding and then which cell that we're going to be using for to multiply. So you can see price is blue, so that's good. C11 is red, so that's tax, so that's correct. So we're adding price plus tax, then we're going to multiply that by the purple, which is quantity. So if everything looks good, we can go ahead and hit enter. And now you can see we were able to calculate with price and tax and quantity how much those bags of dog food are going to be. So I highly recommend you all to try to come up with your own example